Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Standard Chartered customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar typed on sc.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to select this contact us in the top. And from here you'll reach to this help and customer support. You need to scroll a bit down here and under the customer support you can also contact your nearest office. You can select to this find your nearest office here. And over here, you can scroll a bit down. You can find this global HQ, Asia, Africa, or Middle East. And from here, you can also find the nearest office. If you want more help, you can also contact to their customer support here. And this is the number here. And you can simply contact to this number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. That is how you can contact Standard Chartered customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.